Hey everyone, this is Chris from Chris Benedetto Racing. Today I'm going to show you guys how to strip the back seat cover off of my GTI. I had this rip pretty early on. I cut it with a button when I was getting in my car. Tried to fix it a little bit. Kind of took, but you can see it's starting to wear away again. So we're going to take this off. This is more on the daily racer side of things instead of getting it prepped for the track. Okay, so to detach the headrest, you're going to want to pull it all the way up as far as it goes. There's going to be a small button. Let me get this angled good for you. Right here. So you're going to push that button in with a pick, and then you'll be able to remove the headrest. Here's perhaps a better view of the button. You can see that. So there's going to be 4 M10 triple square bolts. One here, one here, and there, and then there's going to be one back down there. So after you take those out, you can remove the seat. Okay, there's a couple pop pins here. They're really easy to remove. If you stick your pick and pull up, they'll come right out, and then you'll be able to remove this piece of lining for the carpet to unplug the seat. Okay, so you're also going to be messing with airbags. There's an airbag in the seat here. So you're going to want to make sure you unplug the battery. So I took the negative terminal off. If you take them both off, that's fine. But yeah, you're going to make sure you want to attach that. And then I'm going to come under here. We're going to unplug both of these for the wiring harness that's going to be attached to the seat. Okay, and we're out. And you can see I'm going to do a cleaning of the car. Now's a great time to get all those loose french fries and anything else you might have under your seat. Okay, so there's going to be a few small pop pins that you're going to need to get out. Here, there. Okay, so once you loosen these plastic pieces, you can just pull them back. There's going to be some bolts, one there, one there. We're going to loosen those off to get this whole top cover off. Okay, and there's also going to be one T25 torque screw right here on the bottom of the seat. So it's going to be right down here. That's going to help you take the rest of this plastic piece off. Okay, once you detach that, you just got to be really careful. There's 2 wires right here for the wiring harness for the seat, but you should be pretty loosened up in order to unclip the snap. It's going to basically hold the whole seat on. So we'll get that undone. So this is probably the best place I can show you guys what these snaps look like. Basically what you're going to do is push the bottom down and then pull with a pick tool the top right there up, and then you should be unclipped. Okay, so once they're snapped free, kind of look like this. And now we're gonna start to peel it back. So once you get up the top and the back, there's gonna be these 2 hooks right there. What I did is I just took a screwdriver on this back end, and then stuck another screwdriver up against this bar and then just pulled and pried it back. Came right out. Okay, so I pulled this up as far just to show you exactly how this is tied in. So there's going to be hog rings here, and you can kind of see what they look like a little bit, that metal ring. So what I've done is I just clipped each ring, and then I will reattach them later. Thanks. Okay, so we are now reattaching the new seat cover with hog rings. Started a few here, you can see. We're just going to feed this around. These are the Hog Ring Pliers. They're pretty cheap. If you do this at the last minute, you can go to a local hardware store and find one. So on the back side, you're going to see this gray rod that goes through. If you take a pry bar and two pair of pliers and pry these both in, this side going this way and this side going this way at the same time, you'll easily be able to put it together. So as you are hog ringing everything back in, do not forget these two clips. They go right underneath the padding. They're just those push clips from earlier. Just make sure you don't forget them. Alright, so we're looking pretty good. Basically got everything buttoned back up. What you're going to do with this is you're going to take both sides, basically flip the back side underneath the other one and just clip them together. It's pretty easy once you see it. You shouldn't have too much difficulty. And then these two clips are going to fold over, and not sure if you can see this. Clip into there, and it's actually got a hole in the other side of this, if you can see it, where this little piece goes into. So yeah, once you button that all up, time to reassemble. Make sure we plug all our wires back in, and then let's go throw it in the car. Okay, we're all back in. No more seat rip. Brand new OEM seat cover. And if you just slide the headrest right back down, it goes right back in.
Thanks for watching CB Racing. Click that bell down below and subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Bye!